new location, new routines, but there is one routine I should keep. All right, I found it, yes. Of course. Thank you, yay! Okay, so welcome to San Diego Java Users Group at a guest location. We're trying out not so much mobility, but just checking out our friendly neighbors here around town. And now that I've set up the Zoom meeting for everybody, I should actually share and record myself. So, is there anybody new here? New people. Nobody's been to the SD Jug before. All right, this is great. I asked that question not to embarrass anybody, but so I can tell you our mission statement, because everybody else, like Bill, has been here for 100 years, well, at least 19. He knows the mission statement by heart, as all of the rest of you do, right? Yeah. So why do we do this? Well, because we like to get together and talk about Java technology, and also have some pizza. Over 2,000 pizzas. This is going to be a great joke running up. Okay. Yeah, but if you got something to share, this is a good forum to do that in. Now, any kind of a pet projects or just what you're doing at work. Easy to become a member, so much easier than it was before. Now you can join Meetup, or you can join Facebook, or you can join LinkedIn. Meetup by far is the easiest. We do post on the Facebook, try to get those things up to date, if not twice. And LinkedIn is an entirely different story, but there is a groups and there is a little channel for that group. Now, a word from our sponsor, NextGen. Yay!
Really good with the agenda. So my name is Marshall Lubeck. I'm the Director of Software Development for the NextGen Healthcare, and our product is NextGen Office. We serve doctors across the U.S., usually family practices, pediatricians, podiatry, thousands of practices across the U.S., and usually the small practices, but lots and lots of customers. We are a Java shop. It's mostly a Java Oracle monolith, and we carve out the important pieces and services where we need it, like reporting and some things for quality measures that are good for the value-based system that our healthcare system is moving to. So we have this space here in San Diego. We have Scrum teams in San Diego, one in India, and NextGen in general is across the U.S. in a lot of different offices, different sites, but our product, NextGen Office, is here. We got involved in some other meetups before, quality engineering user group. We really try to promote a lot of learning in our work. We have on-site, we do dojos, practicing TDD, clean code, those kind of refactoring. So we've been trying to get more involved with the community, and this is good for us because our product keeps selling, so we keep hiring. If you guys have any interest, let us know. We're running a lean initiative. That's why the pizza's not here. It was Kareem's idea. He's good with fasting, but it'll be here soon, so sorry we dropped the ball on that. It's not here on time, but I'll give it back to Paul.
Okay, great. Thank you again very much. Okay, normally we would I'll try and take a Twitter image here later on, but my lovely wife is floating around with a nicer camera. Be sure to smile. Special occasion today. So, thanks again to NextGen for having us out here and giving us some food and drink. So, as was indicated by Marshall, this is kind of your time. If you are looking for a job, it's kind of like, is there anybody out there looking? Great opportunity. Okay. It's almost like, well, we won't talk about those other meetings. But if you're hiring, I'm sorry, go ahead.
I'll raise my hand.
Yeah, please.
Well, my name is John Shepard. I'm an MIS graduate from SDSU, and I'm going through a career transition right now. I currently work in project management for production and construction, and I'm trying to move over into technology, software development.
Okay, great. Thank you very much for being the first to kind of break the ice. Sometimes it only just takes one person. Is there anyone else? Okay, because the next part, besides Marshall, is there any hiring managers out there and kind of what positions are you looking for? Please.
So I'm Eric Hansen. I've been doing independent software consulting management for 15, 16 years now. Starting up a new project in biotechnology space for an automated medical device system, back in Java. Looking for a senior Java developer, software systems engineer, and also on the front end, looking for a front end UI developer. So three open positions. So if you know anybody or interested, come see me.
Yep, thank you. Is there anyone else? So this is the small community of San Diego where everybody hears about everything, especially through some of these meetups. So keep your ears open. And now you know there's a couple of people at the users group who are looking for hire somebody or to be hired. In particular with next-gen healthcare here, having several openings. I am always looking for speakers. I kind of mentioned that earlier, so I glossed over it. But if you do have a speaking idea, that's one aspect. Having the presenter is the best way to get something that you want to know talked at the users group here. So I am looking for speakers for the November, December time frame now, since we're already into October. Okay, and our sister group, the Kotlin group, run by Ian, who is one of our speakers tonight. They meet on the first Wednesday of each month. So if you're interested in the possibly that new language that Google is adopting, that group may be another one to attend. Oracle Code 1 on October 22nd, that's next week. Besides myself and the man from Oracle, anybody else going? All right, cool. And then, does anything else happening in the area that you guys know about? We do make announcements for Comic-Con just because it's fun, but that's in July. Brandt? Okay. Okay. Now, we do have a variety of speakers this evening, and usually I flash up the bios of the speaker. I only have one, our guest speaker from Oracle. He flew down from the Bay Area, so I give Michael his overview here, but each of the speakers usually will have a slide for themselves. Now in the lightning talks, I'm not sure, you may or may not, so we'll have to figure out how to do the lightning talks. Okay, so, but Michael's been working in the industry for a while, about the same 20 years? Good stuff, but we'll see what he has to say about the containers in Java. That will be interesting this evening. And of course, our website here and the meetup site, which is linked onto our website. And I will now take a break, and we'll stop recording, take a break, and switch over to our first lightning speaker. Am I getting a nod?
Nice to meet you and see you again. We are celebrating Paul's birthday today. He doesn't stop even in his birthday. So, yes. And we are also celebrating 20 years of Java. This is group. So we're going to have cake. We're going to have cake after the pizza. I want to ask you to save the forks because I washed them. Too much plastic in the ocean, so we recycle. And I want to encourage you in your meetings to use less plastic. And, be happy. Thank you.
Thank you, Sophia. Thanks, everybody. This is like the third birthday at the users group. 20 years, a long time. Okay, who wants to speak first?